Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today, I'm going to show you the savings you could get by shopping the end of the season sales. So the one thing I want to talk about here is some items that I was been able to get this past weekend at Kroger and at Meijer. So the first thing I was able to get is this gas grill charbroil. As you can see, and I got this at Kroger's, it was $34.99, and this was like 80% off. So I think I paid like $7 just for this grill. I think it's great because it has the lid. It's portable, especially if you kind of wanted to leave it outside. You could put a little tarp on it, or if you're going to go tailgating to some maybe some events or whatever for college football, which is coming up, or just anything, or just to go camping. This is a fantastic grill. I've had one of these before. I gave one out to a friend. He loves it. I have another friend that I bought this exact same one, who does a lot of traveling, and he kind of cooks out of his truck because he's on construction site, and he loves this. He just has the little 1-pounder tanks that works great with it. But for $7, and the original price was $34.99, can't beat it. The next thing I have is these little Streamline. These are sanitation wipes, and the great thing is they're good for your kitchen, bathrooms, electronics, but not for babies. But these were, I believe, the 75 wipes for 50 cents. So I picked up 2, which was $1. Then I picked up these hand sanitizer, which is, I actually prefer this hand sanitizer because it doesn't leave a bad smell or make your hands feel ooky, like you need to wash them like some hand sanitizer are. These are 1 pint. I got 8 of them for 25 cents a piece, which you really cannot beat that. So I'm pretty much good on hand sanitizer, and I've been preaching along on some of my other videos is continue to stock up on hand sanitizer. I also picked up some Lysol wipes there. I picked up 4 for 25 cents too, along with these, because at Meijer, they're trying to move some of this product out because fall is just right around the corner, and they're trying to make room for that stuff. And like a lot of grocery stores and stuff, they have so much in their back rooms of the hand sanitizer, the Lysol wipes, the other types of wipes. They're trying to get rid of it so they can make room for the new stuff coming in. It's always good to be prepared. I'm still always keeping my eye out for some great deals. The summer stuff is going to be, the deals are kind of ending, so keep a good lookout for it. Depending on where you live, you might be able to still get some of these items. So just want to kind of give you this quick video, and hopefully you guys are out there trying to find stuff like this to try to help stock up on, because you never know when the next situation could happen depending on where you live. Right now there's a tropical storm that's kind of hitting Florida right now that they weren't sure if it was going to be a hurricane. So having a little portable grill with some 1-pounders are good, or if you have one of the bigger propane tanks, get the extension so then you can connect that with your propane tank, so you can cook a lot more than just the 1-pounders. But you also have to do what's in your budget, so that's what this kind of video is a budget. So between $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, when in reality I think these were selling a couple months ago for I think almost $5 a piece. So if you think about almost a $60 value with everything we have for about $11, $12 maybe, not too bad. So write down below if you guys are seeing any of these types of sales on the grills or hand sanitizer or wipes. We'd love to hear about it, and if you could, write where you found them at, so you can maybe help someone out who's maybe trying to find some of this stuff. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.